Welcome once again to Afatronics-tv. This is Engineer Noli, and today I'll be taking you through how to use the bench drilling machine. This is my PCB board, and this is how it looks after you've placed it inside your ferro chloride solution. So here we are coming to drill the hole. This is where the switch is after plugging the bench drilling machine. As you can see, the bit is rotating. So depending on where I want to drill the hole, I place my PCB board in alignment with the drilling bit. This is how my holes look like. After you're done drilling your holes, you can start placing your components inside after you're done shining the board firmly onto the surface or on the wood you are drilling on. Else the drilling machine can make scratches in your circuit, which is going to cause short circuits when you are done putting the components on it. So that's all about drilling using the pen drilling machine. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.